Eyewitness Newsroom, we continue to follow breaking news. As we told you earlier, we had this single-engine Cessna land on Route 23. This is in West Milford, New Jersey. The plane is now up on the back of a truck there, though they have yet to take it out of that area. The pilot is okay. As you can see, the plane is okay. What we want to show you is this video. It's an exclusive video. It's my first time getting a chance to see it too. But what you're seeing there is the pilot landing that plane. The plane rolling to a stop there. He's actually in the breakdown lane, rolling that plane to the stop. You can see the propeller still going there, and you can see cars still trying to get by that plane as the propeller kind of slows